Hey, Bahlali. Recently, I've been posting our home and then outside or inside the yard and then walking and stuff like that. And then, boom, the comment. Like there's haters out there say, who do you think you are? You think you've arrived. Now we know mentions in Sentin, in Kalami, that worth 50 million in Mindstream. If you had money, you were supposed to go to Mindstream. And then I was so cool about responding to that and then say, listen, I'm glad you know all those mentioned. But as for me, this is my little achievement. Even if it was a shack, it was a 2-room shack. If if I've worked hard for it, and I know maybe I was homeless before, and that shack, it was going to be my first shelter, I'll celebrate it, and I'll post it, and I'll be proud of myself and say, wow, like looking back where I come from and where I am today, it's a story to tell. So, Mina, I'm not competing with the world. Good for you if when you know mention that worth 50 million. Mina, I angafiki lapho. Mine, it's only 100,000 batung. So, singahluphani. I'm not in your level. I'm not in your lane. Mina, I'm like achievement pelele la. Like this is where like it ends, you know. I don't have anything because I know where we come from with my husband. I know like our first property, Oguti, it was a 2-bedroom yana house. You understand that? Like where nanoma ulele, like you know these bond houses, utolguti I bedroom. My husband is tall, you know. Utolguti nyawo says shaya ebondini. As if it's gonna go to the lounge, you know. So, but I am so proud of our achievement. So I'm not in anyone's lane, I'm in my own lane, and then I'm not competing with the world. I am doing this because I am so proud of myself and say, God, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be where I am. Thank you. Thank you.